Hello Stunning fan, Michele here. We're glad you stopped by. In today's video, we're making Sesame Street themed Christmas decor. First off, we made a super easy Elmo stocking. For this project, we purchased a red stocking and a package of multicolored felt squares from the Dollar Tree. The only colors we really needed were white, black, and orange. Then, we cut out Elmo's mouth out of the black felt, his nose out of the orange felt, and his eyes out of the white and black felt. Using hot glue we already had on hand, we glued Elmo's facial features onto the stocking. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking, unboxing videos, to anything that can be a DIY style project. And we would really love it if you would like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified the next time that we decide to share one of our projects. The second craft we made was a Sesame Street tissue paper wreath. For this project, we purchased a wire wreath form, a package of construction paper, and a package of multicolored tissue paper from the Dollar Tree. We cut all the tissue paper into roughly 4.5-inch squares and separated them by color. We formed the tissue paper by pinching the center, then fluffing the tissue paper up in one direction, the same way you would when you put it into a gift bag. Then we used hot glue to attach the tissue paper to the wreath, using 6 of each color to form the sections, and then we followed a pattern of red, yellow, green, then blue, and then repeated that over and over. For the Sesame Street sign, we used some letters we already had to trace the letters that we needed for the sign onto white paper. Then we cut them out by hand. Instead of tracing, you could also print them with your printer. We attached the letters onto a sheet of green paper using an Elmo glue stick. Then we cut and rounded the corners to form the green background. Using the glue stick again, we attached the green background to a piece of yellow paper that was slightly larger to cut out a yellow background for the sign. Then we cut out a half circle out of the green paper that was left over and glued it onto the yellow paper. Using a paper edge as a guide, we drew a line and cut out the yellow paper, leaving a 1/2 inch of yellow around the edges, rounding the corners as we cut. Lastly, we drew a 1, 2, and 3 freehand, then cut them out and glued them onto the half circle portion of the sign. Our third project was decorating a mini Sesame Street tree. We used the construction paper we had already purchased to make multicolored paper chains. We purchased mini red and blue bulb ornaments from the Dollar Tree to make the Elmo and Cookie Monster ornaments, and we drew Elmo and Cookie Monster's faces on the bulbs using white, orange, and black paint pens that we already had on hand. Cookie Monster actually turned into a stunning misadventure because the bulbs that we purchased were such a dark blue you couldn't even see Cookie Monster's mouth unless you were at the right angle. So you win some and you lose some, right? We still had fun making them. Again, thanks for stopping by and have an amazing day.